ELI5 How can container ships deal with ocean wave in the storms? There are a lot of videos online. https://youtube.be/ncwifzeos8 that show how rough it can be on a cargo ship in a storm. They can avoid the worst storms by using weather forecasts and routing around them. For everything else, the ships are really big and fairly strong. The bigger you are, the less a given wave will affect you. They try to avoid with advanced planning. They are very big, so the waves aren't as dangerous to them as a small boat. They're built to take the stress. Some probably have stabilizing systems, not sure exactly what they would look like, but I imagine some exist. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.